We begin on the FlowSense website, where the platform is positioned as an industry-specific ERP built for complex operations. The navigation and demo options show how prospects can explore solutions, calculate ROI, or request a guided walkthrough based on their business needs. Now the experience shifts to Education ERP, a unified platform for admissions, academics, finance, HR, transport, hostels, LMS, examinations, and campus operations. This landing page highlights the core promise, replacing disconnected tools with one intelligent system that gives institutions real-time control and visibility. Here, users sign in to access their education workspace securely. The login screen supports standard email and password access, optional OTP login, and remembered sessions, making it simple for administrators and staff to get back to work quickly. After login, the group dashboard gives leadership a high-level snapshot across campuses. Key metrics like total students, staff count, admissions today, fee collections, attendance, and LMS engagement help decision makers understand institutional health at a glance. The Management Command Center brings executive KPIs into one focused view. Leaders can compare revenue, attendance, collections, student volume, and enrollment mix, then generate board-ready reports without waiting on manual spreadsheets. The Admissions and Inquiry module helps teams manage the full student recruitment pipeline. Counselors can track new inquiries, contacted leads, applications, admissions, conversion rates, and response times, so follow-ups become faster and more organized. Student information management centralizes every student record in one searchable system. Administrators can review enrollment totals, active students, gender ratio, hostel occupancy, attendance, CGPA, fee status, and campus assignment from a single screen. Academic management is where programs, curriculum, timetables, departments, and faculty allocation come together. Each program card shows capacity and usage, helping academic teams monitor course structures and plan resources more confidently. Attendance management gives a live operational view of student and faculty attendance. Biometric, RFID, mobile and manual attendance sources are synced here, reducing errors and giving the institution accurate daily accountability. The examination management screen supports scheduling, results, hall tickets, and analytics. Staff can monitor pass rates, grading progress, backlog subjects, publish results, and topper counts, making exam operations easier to coordinate at scale. The LMS module organizes digital learning into course cards with progress, lessons, hours, ratings, and continuation actions. Students and faculty can quickly access subjects, track completion, and keep learning activity connected to the wider ERP. Fee management provides a financial control center for collections, pending amounts, overdue balances, scholarships, and payment modes. Finance teams can search records, manage receipts, track collection rates, and identify pending payments before they become issues. Transport management gives operations teams visibility into vehicles, routes, drivers, fuel, maintenance, and live movement. Metrics like active vehicles, en route buses, utilization, occupancy, and on time performance help keep campus transport safe and efficient. Hostel management tracks residents, rooms, occupancy, mess satisfaction, visitors, and complaints. Wardens and administrators can allocate beds, monitor capacity across blocks, and resolve student living issues with clearer data. Library management brings cataloging, circulation, digital assets, returns, fines, and visitor activity into one module. Librarians can monitor books issued, overdue items, active members, and fine collection while keeping the catalog searchable and structured. HR and payroll centralizes employee records, salaries, claims, attendance, recruitment, and payroll runs. The dashboard helps HR teams see workforce strength, monthly payroll costs, pending claims, open positions, and attendance trends across the group. The Communication Center lets institutions manage outreach through WhatsApp, SMS, email, and push notifications. Campaign performance, delivery rates, read rates, templates, and credit usage are all visible, helping teams communicate with students, parents, and staff more effectively. The mobile app extends ERP access beyond the desktop. Students, parents, and staff can view attendance, fees, academics, messages, and daily updates from a clean mobile interface, keeping campus information accessible wherever they are. The reports module brings standardized exports together across admissions, fees, attendance, examinations, payroll, library, hostel, transport, and LMS. Teams can download reports as PDF, Excel, or CSV, making compliance, reviews, and internal reporting much faster. Multi-campus management is built for institutions that operate across several locations. Leadership can compare campuses by students, staff, revenue, admissions, collections, attendance, and occupancy. Then drill into each campus for local performance details. Roles and permissions give the system strong governance and security. Administrators can define access for super admins, management, regional admins, principals, vice principals, faculty, and other roles, so every user sees only what they need. Finally, the demo request page makes it easy to see FlowSense in action with a personalized walkthrough. Share your details, choose a time, and discover how FlowSense Education ERP can simplify operations across your institution. Book your demo today.